The statistical package StatCrunch has a resource called StatCrunchThis. StatCrunchThis allows a user to extract data from almost any web page and have the data open up in a StatCrunch spreadsheet. To use this resource, click Resources within StatCrunch, scroll down, and then select the StatCrunchThis hyperlink. To install StatCrunch, you need to save this StatCrunchThis hyperlink into your bookmark. This is easy to do for the various web browsers, and the directions are given here. I happen to be in Google Chrome, and so all I need to do is left click on the StatCrunch hyperlink and then drag that to the toolbar. I let go, and then you see the StatCrunchThis bookmark in the list of bookmarks. Now let's see how we use StatCrunch to extract data from a web page. To do this, we're going to go to a website that contains an HTML5 data table called payscale.com. This particular data represents the college return on investment for all schools throughout the nation. First, the table only contains 15 entries, and I want the table to contain all the entries, so I'm going to click See Full List. The table then loads on the web page, and now you can see, if I scroll down, how large that data table is. I want to grab all of this data and load it into the StatCrunch spreadsheet. To do so, I simply click the StatCrunchThis bookmark. When I click the StatCrunchThis bookmark, this dialog box appears. First and foremost, down at the bottom, you see B number greedy. You want to check that box whenever your data table contains symbols such as the % sign or $sign, because StatCrunch will grab the numeric value but leave off the characters so that the data is numeric. Next, we're going to click Extract Data from this page. Just as an FYI, extract data from a sequence of pages works if the data table is on multiple pages. So click Extract Data from this page. StatCrunch opens up, and all the different data tables that were on that page are going to appear in a StatCrunch spreadsheet. So there's the data. Let's go back to the web page so you can see how it says rank, school name, 20-year net. Those are the names of the different columns that were in the original spreadsheet. Notice, for example, that total 4-year cost had a $sign in it. However, when I go to the StatCrunch spreadsheet, those characters are no longer in the data set. And so now this data is ready to be analyzed. First and foremost, what you're going to want to do is save this data. To do so, click Data and then Save, and we'll just give it a name like PayScale ROI, and then click Save. And now you have a data set that's ready to be analyzed.